Hey guys. This is one of my new favorite versatile pieces because this one can be worn not only all year round, but in so many different ways. So I'm wearing it right here just with some cute boyfriend jeans. So you can kind of see it's perfect for spring, it's perfect for summer. You can wear it as a long tunic tank really easily. You could wear this with dark pants, dark jeans, throw a blazer on, throw a cardigan on. But it's long enough to wear as a dress. I'm 5'10" and I've got more than enough coverage. It's a length that I would feel comfortable in. So obviously if you're closer to like 5'3", 5'4", it's going to be closer to knee length as well. But then you can even wear this in winter. You could put it over leggings, put a comfy jumper over the top or a shirt, tie it in the middle. So this one really can be worn all year round in so many different ways, as a dress, as a tunic, or as a layering piece. And it's got pockets, which obviously I freaking love. So it's a tank top swing tunic in shape. So you can kind of see there, like the actual cut, it definitely flares out, which is why it's got all this amazing drape and flow in the fabric. Nice and wide. It is beyond stretchy. This one, it's a rayon blend and it's got a very fine rib in the material. It is so lightweight, but with that ribbing, it kind of gives it the weight to the fabric to give it that like amazing drape, and it won't get clingy. In the back, you have this amazing V-neck as well. So I'm actually wearing one of the new bralettes, so you can really see the crisscross detail on the back, which I think is a really nice feature of this tank, because a lot of tanks, it's like round, high in the back and then low in the front, and this one's got both. You can see tons of room under the arm, and again, that stretch is ridiculous. And like I said, it's got pockets, which is always freaking amazing. So you can definitely still like style this one in different ways. You can tuck it, you can do a little knot on the side and just kind of turn it into an asymmetrical tunic super easily. But I really do love how this one just looks loose. And like I said, you could easily style this with a cardigan over the top or a blazer, or you could just wear it as a dress, as a swimsuit cover in the summer. So many ways to wear this one. This is a gorgeous forest green. This one comes in, what sizing?
Small, medium, large.
Small, medium, large. That's what I thought, because it's kind of so oversized and then so stretchy. Like, this is like the stretch of the fabric. So I'm a size small, I'm like 2'4", but this one really is insanely versatile. So the size small is gonna fit anywhere from 0 to 10, all the way really up to a 12 comfortably. Medium is going to be your 10 through 16 up to 18, and then the large is going to be your 18, 20, 22, 24, 26. So this one is very, very versatile, very, very comfy, very oversized, and then ridiculously stretchy on all fronts. If you've got any other questions on this one, feel free to send me a message and I'll be happy to help.